Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Exxon Patiño, estudiante del programa técnico profesional en seguridad vial. Hoy presentaré la actividad número 2 de la asignatura Inglés Técnico 1. El objetivo es demostrar la habilidad oral para explicar un procedimiento o narrar un incidente usando vocabulario técnico en inglés. Good afternoon. Today, you'll narrate a minor traffic accident that happened recently. This report will describe what occurred, who was involved, and the action taken after ground. First, the accident yesterday happened at around 3 p.m. on the main street. Two cars collision at an intersection because one driver ignored the stop sign. Next, A arrived at the scene and a few minutes later, there was a small damage to the front bumper of one car and a broken happening on the other. Fortunately, no one was serious in the jar. Then A spoke with the victim, who was the driver of the blue sedan. She explained that she stopped at the sign, but the other vehicle did not. A also identified and witnessed a pedestrian who saw the entertained incident and the confrontation the victim statement. After that, you took photographs of the vehicles, collect the driver's listening and insurance information, and they wrote down the difficult for the affidavit report. Finally, a should add fine to the driver. You failed to stop and providing staff for the right purpose and insurance claim. In conclusion, the accident was minor, but they choose the importance of respect traffic sign. You respond and proper documentation help maintain safety and the accountability. Thank you for listening.